Alright, episode 13. So I just want you guys to know, today we have a great and utterly ridiculous video. I tried to do what I could to get episode 13 done. It took me 2 days, 4 quads damaged, but we got this video done for you guys just to show you. Sometimes everything does not go as planned, and when we go out and fly, we take a risk of breaking everything. Just remember that. Have fun, enjoy flying, and enjoy this video.
Rock on episode 13.
So today's thing was, we hit a pole. You can see we totally need to print a new TPU arm guard, but the motor's still good, guys. The Zing motors, I'm pretty impressed with these things, man. This isn't the first time I've done this, but this is the first time I'll show you guys.
Porsche's gotta be foreskins, and now they like, whoa, how the fuck he spit and just murder so many flows? I don't know, I was bred for this shit since 96, making hits since an embryo. I've been adored, I can do flippity hibbity, entering in the vicinity, cooking up bits like I break it, but while I Jesse, we're making amphetamines, just getting messy, I'm finna be killing the enemy, never see any serenity, when I be mentally heavily off of the Hennessy, sipping the liquor, I lick it, the lickety, spitting my living, I'm kicking with a little bit of venom, and I'm never gonna let it, gotta get it for the bottom, put the motherfucking pedal to the metal, when I head it for the metal, in retrospect, I probably should check my stress, but I'm never gonna second guess, this shit is over, I want this beat is OJ's wife by the time that I'm done.
Marxist. Yeah, check. Okay, the SoundCloud superhero back again. I train hard, so when I'm on the track, I'm overlapping them. I'm lighting up a sack, the holy pack, my only sacrament. No California though, I took the O, it's on my back again. Ugh, they probably don't get it. I'ma hit them with a chrome in it. Semi-automatic flow, I gotta get it though. I'm kicking in the dough with it like, oh shit, it's the dope kid with the flow sick. Oh no sis, and the beef frank, no ocean. Got a weed dank and a potion. When the fleet flank feeling focused on my feet 5 phone faux shit. And I speak fire if I roll shit, so the feet high, you ain't no shit. Can I fold it? And I'm not nice, I'm a like I got lice. If you caught verse, I will not write. And I got slime like a stop sign, I'm going up, that's the reason that they've been sad lately. You a loud, annoying little kid, you a bad baby. Got up on this beat to have some fun, you know I'm showing out. If a pussy come at me, a linity, I'll throw him out.
I think this girl better back off, she looking at me with some bright hopes. Tell her that she can be tied down if she wanna walk in a tightrope. Hitting that shit for the back dog, she probably gonna need Geico. She knows that my pockets are so fat, they probably gonna need lipo. Bitch, I made $250,000, y'all ignored until I started murdering. Now my pockets looking green, they getting chlorophyll. It's written in my destiny, I'm born to kill. So much caffeine in my system that it's hard for me to concentrate. Shitting on my competition, rappers looking constipated.
Can't fly without an arm. Hopefully I can find it. Probably over here somewhere, because I hit the pole. I gotta find it. There it is. Rip the fucking arm off though. Yay! The motor's still good, guys. Check it out. These fucking motors are tough.
Alright, we're gonna do this one more time. Let's just stay in the park. Let's stay away from that water tower, huh?
The most slept on the site, nigga, in a different pedigree, dog. I show my bite bigger, worry about a dislike bar. I dislike your life on a knee, letting it ring like I'm looking for a wife, nigga. Brought a coffin, heard you jack in the box. Try to wind me something popping like a jack in the box. The Armstrong, toss a Molotov from a mile away. I son y'all, but I didn't get a fucking gift on Father's Day. Oh, y'all want action till I'm up and blasting. Fucking tragic, suckers plastic. Get your surface bursted for your bubble wrapping. Rounds of applause, but the rounds are the ones I'm clapping. Channels for reactions, and I'll react until you're fucking passing. Thanos snapping, snatching the clout that you niggas gain. But a lot of y'all gon' vanish if the algorithm change. Who wants smoke? I'ma alter your appearance. None of you motherfuckers nice. Tell KSI that I'm actually Beerus God.
To all of the people that sound the bomb, I'm gonna blow up. That's what I'm made for. Looking for flow, but looking for bars. Cause I'ma give you what you came for. Didn't like Dax with his chainsaw. It's biology.
Broke a bell. Yeah, we broke an arm. Oh no, we just broke a screw. Shit happens, right? Well, this one's done for the day. For y'all that don't know me, I can't race for shit. We're gonna race with the homies at TMR Raceway. Let's do this. This is gonna be funny.
Yo, Crip, when I
thanks for the opportunity. Ciphers and freestyles is nothing new to me. I do it beautifully. A couple verses up my sleeve. I love nudity and black bitches. I'm the match when your wrist flicks it. Throw that ass back like a grenade and blow my dick up. Unpredictable with verses like Tourette's are having hiccups. Look, they compare your boy to that of a lighter who's harder than a sniper, hitting through the chest on a Bible. Don't have any rivals, cause that would imply I fight for survival. Amidst all the rappers I jack up, it's easy now back up. Calling for backup, I like it, they back up against they wall. Got the bands up against they balls. Pause, I ain't mean it like that, dog, and I ain't homophobic. For a meal, I get some hair behind the Kroger. If the deal was just a minute and it's over, yeah, I'm mad bugging. Slap you up in public in your city, ho. Only time you slap is the publish button on videos, nigga. We my floors with rappers, no hyperbole, flipping them vertically, badly attacking with words that they murmuring. My pen is catching bodies, call it John Wick. I feel it as I am dotting, stretching these words like Pilates. I kick, quick, karate, and click. This, you're nodding and spit, shit, the body is thick. Bitch, I'm throbbing, bitch, I'm finna nut, huh? Dig up in her gut, I eat that booty like it's lunch.
Yo, 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 it's the girl about to rap, huh? Yeah, you know I'm on that. Fuck that. We're ready to fuck the game and use these rappers as my comrade. Cause listening to y'all like pressing on a thumbtack. And these rappers, they itching for the, snitching for the, you know that it's a snake if you just listen for the. And I'ma be giving them halos when I be trigger fingering these flows, leaving a Greg and all of their toes. This is my destiny and what I chose. Look, I'm the best, so why these motherfuckers hate me? If I press inside this
Damn. Damn, did you guys see that? That was pretty fucking cool. Oh, look at that shit. She's a little beat up. She'll be alright though.
Had a blast. My wife said we probably should go, and then I ripped the arm off when I hit the pole. Take care. God bless. Rock on episode 13, right?